Imagine a company so powerful that it quietly touches almost every part of your life. You don't see it, you don't hear it, but it's there, deciding, guiding, influencing, all without shouting. This is the story of a company that became bigger than some countries without anyone really noticing. It all starts small, a firm in America mostly known to big investors. Its name? BlackRock. At first, it just managed money, pension funds, mutual funds, retirement savings, safe money, quiet money. People trusted it because it promised stability. And stability slowly became influence. Imagine your pension fund. Every dollar you save might be touched by this company. Not because it wants to rule, but because the system rewards stability. Soon this influence stretched across the globe. Apple, Google, Microsoft, even companies you've never heard of. They don't run them outright, they just vote in them. They guide decisions quietly. And governments? They trusted it too. Not to make decisions, but to advise. Advice that shaped policies. Advice that shaped markets. It's easy to miss, because power today doesn't look like power. There's no shouting, no obvious control, no heroes, no villains. Just a network of stability, quiet influence. They even built the ultimate tool, Aladdin, a system watching risk, investments, and money movements every second. Trillions flow through it, silently. It's not conspiracy. It's the logic of the system. The system rewards safety, and safety brings influence. That's the quiet power that shapes economies. Even the media misses it, because it's not flashy news. It doesn't scream scandal or crash. It's subtle, slow, invisible. And that's why it lasts. Quiet power outlives loud headlines. Take a moment. You are part of this system too. Your money, your savings, your choices. They ripple through the network. Power today is not a crown or a throne. It's incentives. It's systems. It's understanding. Clarity removes fear. Knowledge replaces assumptions. Because once you see how quiet influence works, you understand the world better. This company, this small firm once, became bigger than countries, not by force, not by conquest, but by understanding the system, using it quietly, and moving money where the world relies on it most. So the next time you check your pension or hear about a quiet advisor, remember this story. Power doesn't always shout. Sometimes it whispers and shapes the world in silence. If you want more stories like this, about the hidden forces shaping our lives, stay tuned.